How to stack Shipt promo codes. First of all, let's navigate and open any web browser that you use for searching. Once the app is open on the screen, tap on the search bar and type stack Shipt promo codes and then hit the search button on your keypad. Here you will find different websites providing promo codes. Select a website with the best offer. Once the website is open on the screen, you will find a list of promo codes for different deals and offers. Select one that you want to use and a new pop-up will appear on the screen where you will find the promo codes. Simply tap on the copy button and to use it, tap on redeem at Shipt. It will take you to the official website page where you need to create an account or log in if you have already one. While proceeding to check out, apply the copied promo code to get the discount. And that's it. This is how you can find and stack Shipt promo codes. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.